Okay, I know this video is a bit cringy, but give me a break. I'm still new to video editing, and I'll figure out the sound issues. Also, this isn't much of an advanced video, but I figured I would try out recording for the first time with a video that people might not want to watch. In any case, I'll let the video continue. This video will kick off a series that I'll call Start Out Right in Unity, which will help you set up your project in an expandable way. When you first start out, you probably came across this horrible idea that you should organize everything based on their file type. So you'll have a folder for scripts, models, textures, prefabs, and maybe the materials and shaders. And this is a terrible idea. Here's why. When editing, you want to see the things you're working on and hide the things that you don't want to work on. There will always be a little bit of clutter, but you want to keep it as minimal as possible. For example here, let's say I wanted to modify some things on the player. So I pop into here, go to prefabs, and then player, and then under there will be a player prefab. So I'll make some changes and realize, hey, something needs to change in the script. Okay, well now I have to go down here to the scripts folder, player folder. Now already you can see that there's more information here than you're ever going to need while editing the player in this given moment. Continuing this example, let's pretend, okay, well now there's a model edit that I need to do, so I open up models player. Oh, now materials have been updated, and everything just starts opening up too much, and you get this issue where you have all of this information that isn't necessary. So let me go ahead and click out things that you do want to see, and all of that blue doesn't need to be there. Now what you want to do is start creating folders for objects or ideas instead of file types. So let's go ahead and close out of that and pull up the good organization. Here you'll see, instead of having a scripts folder, I'll have a player folder. And within that folder is everything I'll ever need to modify on the player. Let's go back to our example. So we need to edit the player prefab first. So we pop this down, prefabs, right there. We need to modify something on the scripts, right there. Models, materials, textures, all of it's right there. And there's absolutely no clutter preventing me from finding what it is I need to modify.
But if I want to see all of my scripts at once?
Well, I have an answer for you. You see this button right here? You click that guy and you click script. And voila, all of your scripts are right there. You want to filter those scripts down to be a specific one. Game, data. Oh, look at that. It's right there. Anything involving game, right there. It's so easy to just search through all of a certain type of asset. Now this also works with, say, scriptable object. Let's come in here and type scene object. And I have my scene object right there. All you need is this T colon and then whatever type you want to search for right there. This technique should help reduce the amount of time spent editing, especially for larger projects. How do you organize your projects? Let me know in the comments below. If you like what I'm doing, consider subscribing or become a patron to join the Discord that I have open all the time. There, we can all share ideas and improve, or just goof off. Who knows? We'll also gain access to the source codes of projects that I'm working on. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.